everyone, let's see what we got here on Lucky Sweets. Side, today's your lucky day. I love these candies. Let's see who we got. Oh, this is so cute. Okay. Now we got Ronnie Rocket Pop. Erts and snacks. Alright, that's cool. And then the fortune. In a world of hard candies, be a cloud of cotton candy. That's cute. Alright, now let's get the other side. More candy. Looks like we got a sticker of a lollipop. And oh look, we got a gold one. And the fortune is, someone like you is as hard to find as a 4-leaf clover. And that's who we got. Gold Caroline Clover. How cute. And she is the sweetest, rarest, and the luckiest. That's so cool. And then Ronnie Rocket is Sweet Lucky.